Welcome to this correct tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add payable accounts, create and post both current and future payable expenses, and use the duplicate expense feature step by step. Let's begin by navigating to the Account Payable Voucher view. From the Workspace menu, choose Accounting and then select Payable. To add a new payable account, right-click on a blank area in the Payable Account list and choose Add Account Payable Account. In the Account Details section, enter a name for your new payable account. You may also complete any of the additional fields if needed. In this example, we'll just add a company name. You can repeat this process and add as many accounts as you like. When finished, go to the Save menu and select Save Accounts. Now let's create a payable voucher. From the top left of the view, select an account from the list. Next, choose an account payable schedule. Expansion triangles next to an account list the last schedules used with that account. Selecting a schedule from the list selects both the schedule and the account in a single step. On the right side of the screen, from the Finance Account menu, select a finance account. Choose either the debit or check radio button. Next, verify the liability schedule. In the Date field, enter a date for the transaction. You can choose any date within an open report period. Past, current, or future. If you enter a future post payable, Correct will display a message and store it in the post payable transaction view. When it's due, Correct will automatically alert you. Optionally, add a note in the Note field. From there, tab into the Voucher Items list and double-click the amount cell in the first line. Enter a value greater than 0. Optionally tab to the Note cell and add details. For credits, select the minus checkbox. Finally, select the plus symbol to add this voucher to the voucher list. Repeat as needed to create additional vouchers. When ready, select Post Voucher Action to complete the process. Printing checks can be done afterwards if needed. Using the Duplicate Voucher feature. Correct makes it easy to duplicate expenses. To use this feature, right-click on a payable voucher in the pre-post list and select Duplicate Voucher. This will open a Repeat Options dialog. Here's how it works. When, choose the frequency for the repeated transactions. Date, weekly, monthly, on, or monthly on the last day. Repeat, enter the number of transactions you want to generate. And add sequence to note. If checked, Correct will add the sequence count to the note field along with your custom tag. In this example, I will select monthly on the 1st, enter 2 in the repeat, and check the option to add the sequence to the note. After clicking OK, the dialog closes and you'll see your vouchers in the voucher list. To finalize, just select the post action. And that's it. You've created a payable account, built a payable voucher, and learned how to duplicate expenses in Correct. With Correct, managing both current and future expenses is simple and efficient. Thank you for watching.